Hi everyone. So today I'm working on an 11 by 14. I have this little crocheting tool here, knitting tool. I'm going to pour paint down through, and I'm just going to do black and white so I don't get a lot of gray. I'm not sure what's going to happen yet, but we shall see. And let's see how it works. So I'm not spraying this because I don't want any cells, so we're just going to be very careful pouring through and hoping that it stays in one place. So I'm going to just gently put the black in. Let that run just a little bit. So these paints do not have silicone, so they should behave pretty well. And then when I think I have enough paint, I'll go around the outside edge with either white or black, we'll see. Of course, that's thin, isn't it? But we're getting that nice black and white pattern. Got a little bit of gray on that one. But we probably won't leave it centered anyways, because you guys know I don't like anything centered. I always had to get one that didn't come out right, huh? You could do this with any two colors. I could even throw pink in here, because black, white, and pink together look really good, but I wanted to try something just black and white. Go a couple more times. Okay. This will be the last one. And I'm just going to drop a little bit of white in there. That'll be our center. I'll probably have to skewer it because it's not a perfect dot. Alright, so let's do it with the black. done moving. Yeah, it definitely needs to be skewered. So let's pull just the middle in. So make almost a flower in the middle. All right, let me torch that. Okay, I think we can tilt without having to put anything around. But I think I'm going to get just the corners. I'll do white. Because that's the hardest part to cover when you're stretching. And I'm not on a square canvas, I'm on a rectangle. So the stretching is going to be a little different. I'm just going to do the corners. Okay. All right. I can fuss with that middle more, but I'm not going to mess with it too much. Okay. So we know it's going to roll over on itself. Alright, so now I'm going to go to that other corner. We're going to go off. So I can get rid of that one section that didn't play very nice. And do you see what I say about leaving it off center? Because I really like that. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Because I really like that off like that. I just have to touch this here. And run some more white on my edges, but I think that's it. Well, that was short and sweet, wasn't it? Quick tilt. All right, let me torch it. Hopefully won't get too much stuff coming up besides the air bubbles. Yeah, and I like the way that swirled there. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to hit those corners with the white, and she'll be ready to go to the drying rack. So don't ever be afraid to do black and white. It's harder to do it when you put it in a cup because they do blend together and you end up getting some gray. I did get a little bit of gray in there. I don't mind it though. It's kind of cool. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell so you get notified when I upload my next video. Click like, share, and leave a comment. Join us on Monday nights right here on the channel at 9 p.m. Eastern. And we do a few pours and answer questions, and we have a good time. Also join our group on Facebook, the Porage Posse with Christina Welch. Lots of information there, a lot of fun there, and a lot of great artists hanging out in there as well. You can get a lot of questions answered, and we have a great file section for you to check out. Check out my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art, and check out my Etsy shop, my Amazon shop. All those links are below. Just click on See More, and you can see all the links that I have available. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.